Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing very well. Today in this quick tutorial I will show you channel mixer adjustment layer inside Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I have already opened a beautiful bird image which I have collected from Pixabay and duplicated the main layer here to demonstrate this. Although I do not suggest to use any adjustment from here because this is destructive mode, but I would like to use channel mixer from here to demonstrate this channel mixer adjustment. So I am clicking here and you can see this is destructive. That means it will act directly, it will adapt directly in this layer, and you cannot reverse or back in the previous state of this layer. Although now I would like to demonstrate it. You can see this is channel mixer adjustment. Here is few presets you will find all are black and white, and here is output channel. This is red, green and blue. You can find this. I am okaying it. You can see here is just right side of the layers panel. This is channel. You can see the channels here. This is red channel, this is green channel, and this is blue channel in this layer. So I am again accessing this channel mixer. I am adjusting it. You can see this is output channel is red and this is 100%. When I selecting green, it is 100%, and then blue, then this will be 100%, and total will be 100%. So first of all, I would like to choose green. I would like to show you green, as the green color is dominant in this image. So you can see this is green 100%. I would like to change few red. You can just move as like color balance and make it as per your taste. So when this is, I am minusing minus 22%, and if you make it, then it is plus. So here is a caution. When the total amount will be more than 100%, then you can see the cautionary or caution sign. So I am minusing it. This is just 9%, and also you can see 100% minus 9% is 91%. This is output channel green. This is 91%, and I am more minusing, or I have few options. 98, I can check this 98, or I can even make it 100%. Okay, so now I am making red channel -9 and blue +9, so total 100%. And you can also use constant to see add brightness or darkness in the image, and this will not affect in the total amount. So you can, I am accessing -4. Here is option monochromy. You can use for black and white image, and this is adjustment I am accessing again. So this is green channel, and this is -9 and this is +9, and constant I am using 4. So this is the option. Here is a button. You can save preset or load preset. I am now accepting it. So after accepting it, you can see here is the difference. This is very little difference, little bit brightness has been added. But if you check the channel, I would like to see, this is green channel. This is this green channel, this layer green channel, and I am accessing this layer green channel. Here is red and this is green channel. So you can see this is this layer green channel, this is green channel, this is this layer green channel, and if I am turning it off, you can see this is slightly shadowing it, and this is slightly brightness added and slightly shadow added in this channel. So in this way you can mixing the channel value of that image. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.